So, I'm Miss Ania.
And I'm Miss Wanda.
We are from
Universitas Negeri Medan.
So, today we are so excited to introduce
Zep Quiz,
a gamified interactive web-based platform designed to make learning more engaging, fun, and interactive.
And in this session, we will use Zep Quiz to learn about procedure text for 11th grade senior high school students. And through interactive quizzes and gem-based activities, students can better understand the purpose, structure, and language feature of procedure text in more enjoyable way. Let's get started! Okay, hello everyone. In this first section, I'm going to introduce Zep Quiz as a gamified learning platform that can also support interactive teaching and learning activities, especially in English language learning. And then Zep Quiz actually is a digital educational platform that combines learning with gem-based experiences, and this application allows teachers and students to enter a virtual learning environment where they can interact, and then they can also answer quizzes, complete missions, and participate in learning activities in a more enjoyable way. Okay, now let me explain the step-by-step procedure for logging into Zep Quiz as a teacher account. First, open the Zep Out Sync Up page. Next, enter your email address in the email field and then tap Verify Email. After that, the system will send a verification code to your email address, and then you can try to open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Zep Quiz. Once your email is successfully verified, continue by creating your password. And please make sure your password has at least 9 characters and include letters and also numbers. Next, re-enter the same password in the confirm password field. After that, you can type your nickname, and then also you can change your nickname later if you want. Now check all the required agreement boxes, including terms of service, privacy policy, and also age confirmation. Then tap the Sync Up button to complete your registration. After creating your account, you will be redirected to the Zep Quiz homepage. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Create Quiz. After that, you will be asked to fill in some information. For example, like choose the GAMAT you want to use, and then select the school level, grade, and subject for your quiz. Once everything is set up, you will enter the quiz editor page, and on this page, you can use various features to develop your quiz content. You can also create a new question directly in the platform. There are several question types available, such as multiple choice, true, false, and also short answer. Don't forget to activate your option. You can move on to the next question even though you are incorrect, because this feature allows students to continue the next question even though the answer is wrong or incorrect. Finally, save your quiz and publish it so students can join and start the activity. Okay, next we will look at the step-by-step process of joining Zep Quiz as a student. Step 1 is opening the Zep Quiz website or application using a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer with internet access. Step 2 is selecting the option to join the classroom or quiz room, and it is usually students only need a room code or invitation link provided by the teacher. And then step 3 is entering the room code correctly into the available section on the platform. And step 4 is typing the student's name or nickname, and this nickname will appear during the activity and help teachers identify the participants. Step 5 is choosing or customizing an avatar. Students can select their preferred avatar before entering the virtual room. And step 6 is entering the virtual classroom successfully. After joining, students can see other participants too, and then they can explore the virtual environment and wait for instruction from the teacher. And step 7 is participating actively in the quizzes, discussion, and classroom activities that have already prepared by the teacher. The login process for students is very simple and practical. This accessibility helps students join learning activities quickly without complicated procedure.
And now, let us look at how to use Zep Quiz in the learning activity in the classroom. In this section, we will take procedure text as the learning topic from grade 11. So, before we dive into the classroom application, let us first look at the framework, IPL framework in this session learning. It is input, process, and the outcome. So, the first one is input. In this input, you can be looking at this. It is have a 7 input. And then about the process. This is have a several process from the teacher preparing the lesson until we can look at the score from the student. And then the last is about the outcome. So the outcome from this learning session is have a 3 section outcome. The first one is educational outcome. You can be looking, and then pedagogical outcome. This, and then the last one is psychosocial outcome. Okay, now let us look at the learning material. So before we gonna be doing learning quiz activity, we must know about the what is actually procedure text. So you can look at this. Procedure text is like a type of text that give instruction or direction. And then about the what the structure, what the purpose from the procedure text. So the purpose is to guide the reader through a series of steps in order to complete a task or achieve a particular result. And then what the structure from the procedure text? It has a four structure. So the first one is a goal, and then material, and then equipment, and the last one is a step. And about the language feature using in the procedure text. So the first one is using imperative sentences, and then using action verb, and the last one is using sequential connector. Okay, after the teacher delivering the lesson on the procedure text, we move to the assessment activity to evaluate student understanding. In this session, we use the Z quiz as an interactive and gamified assessment platform. So after all the students have joining and attendance in the room of the Z quiz, the teacher can be see the participant list on the dashboard and start the session. The teacher can also control when the game begins by using the close and open feature in the class, ensuring that all students start the quiz simultaneously. On the screen, you can see to display side by side. The left side show the student view on the smartphone, while the right side show the teacher view on the laptop. As shown on the screen, the game is played on a maze map. Students will encounter a number of obstacles along the way, and the number of obstacles corresponds to the number of questions, which in the session is 7. At each obstacle, student must answer a question. Whether the answer is correct or incorrect, student can still continue and move past the obstacle. During the answering process, students receive immediate feedback and can see right away whether their answer is correct or incorrect. Students are also guided by an arrow that points toward the next question, and they can see which of their classmates are answering question at the same checkpoint. That is how the quiz is played on the ZQuiz map. After students successfully answer all the questions, their result and ranking are displayed on the screen. Students can also see which of their classmates have already completed the quiz. And then about the last section is about the assessment. To view the student ranking, you can open the ranking feature, which displays all the students from first place to last place. We can then access detailed result through 3 features: statistic by student, statistic by question, and the learning report. This feature allows the teacher to see its student performance, identify which questions were most challenging, and provide meaningful feedback to students based on their quiz results. Okay, that's all about our video about procedure text using the quiz.
We hope this gamified interactive platform can make learning English more interesting, enjoyable, and effective for students.
Thank you
for your attention and participation. Have a great day, everyone!